Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the exquisite world of sari fashion of the stunning Malavika Mohanam. Known for her impeccable style, Malavika effortlessly carries off traditional wear, especially saris. So, let's unravel some of her sari style choices that have left us in awe. Her timeless choice of classic silk saris. Whether it's a Kanjivaram or a Banarasi silk, she has a way of adding a modern twist to these traditional pieces. The richness of the fabric combined with minimalistic accessories showcases her understanding of balance in fashion. Malavika's take on contemporary sari draping styles. From the pre-draped concept to experimenting with unique pleats, she is not afraid to push boundaries. Her choices reflect a blend of tradition and modernity, giving us major fashion goals. One thing that stands out in her sari collection is her bold use of colors. Whether it's vibrant hues or subtle pastels, she knows how to play with a diverse palette. Each color complements her skin tone, making her look effortlessly radiant. The actress often opts for intricately designed blouses that add an extra edge to her sari ensembles. Whether it's embroidery, sequins, or unique cuts, she proves that the blouse can be the game changer. Her fusion sari styling is worth noting. She seamlessly combines saris with contemporary pieces like jackets or belts, giving the traditional attire a modern and refreshing twist. It's a style choice that truly sets her apart. She fearlessly explores different draping styles, such as the Lehenga sari drape or the stylish dhoti sari drape. Her experimentation showcases a willingness to redefine traditional silhouettes. One cannot ignore the diversity in fabrics that graces her sari collection. Whether it's the sheer elegance of georgette, the crispness of cotton, or the opulence of velvet, she effortlessly transitions from one fabric to another, proving that there's a sari for every occasion. Her choice of jewelry is equally noteworthy. She often opts for minimalistic pieces that enhance her overall look without overpowering the ensemble. This subtle approach to accessories emphasizes the sari's beauty. Another aspect of her sari fashion is her ability to tailor her looks according to the occasion. Be it a traditional event, a contemporary party, or a casual day out, she adapts her sari styling to suit the vibe, proving that saris are versatile and can be styled for any setting. Malavika Mohanam's commitment to sustainable fashion deserves applause. She occasionally showcases handloom saris and promotes eco-friendly fashion choices, inspiring her audience to embrace sustainability in their wardrobe. The actress doesn't shy away from embracing her South Indian roots in her sari choices. We often see her draped in traditional Kanchipuram saris, showcasing the richness of South Indian textile heritage. This connection to her roots adds a personal touch to her fashion statements. One fascinating aspect of her sari wardrobe is her keen sense of seasonal appropriateness. Whether it's a breezy chiffon sari for summer events or a plush, layered silk for winter occasions, she aligns her choices with the seasonal vibes, proving that fashion can be both stylish and climate conscious. Malavika's sari fashion extends beyond her personal choices, as she collaborates with designers for exclusive collections. These collaborations often feature unique sari designs that reflect her individual style, making her a trendsetter in the world of celebrity fashion. Her red carpet sari looks are nothing short of glamorous, often featuring intricate embellishments, unconventional drapes, and a touch of sparkle. She effortlessly combines traditional attire with a modern flair on the grand stage. Her sari fashion journey is not confined to red carpets alone. She frequently shares her stunning sari looks on social media. Her Instagram feed serves as a style diary, inspiring her followers to experiment with saris in their day-to-day lives. Malavika Mohanam's impact on the fashion industry goes beyond individual choices. She actively participates in collaborative fashion initiatives, working with designers to create sari collections that reflect her unique taste. These collaborations often introduce fresh perspectives to traditional attire. She generously shares DIY styling tips on her social media. From innovative pleating techniques to creative blouse pairings, she encourages her followers to experiment and infuse their personality into their sari ensembles. The actress seamlessly blends fitness and fashion. Her athleisure-inspired sari looks, paired with crop tops or sneakers, showcase her ability to merge comfort with style, proving that saris can be versatile and adaptable to various lifestyles. She often pays homage to different cultures through her sari choices. Whether it's donning a vibrant Bandhani sari or a traditional Pochampalli weave, she celebrates the diversity of Indian textiles, fostering a deeper appreciation for the country's rich cultural heritage. Beyond being a fashion icon, the actress actively advocates for the revival of traditional sari weaving and craftsmanship. Her support for local artisans and weavers underscores the importance of preserving and promoting India's age-old textile traditions. Malavika Mohanan's inclusive approach to fashion extends to her consideration of diverse body types. Her sari styling takes into account various silhouettes, offering tips and tricks that empower individuals to embrace saris confidently, regardless of their body shape. Complementing her sari looks, the actress often experiments with unique and elegant hairstyles. From classic bun styles to contemporary braids, her diverse range of sari-inspired hairdos adds an extra layer of sophistication to her overall appearance, demonstrating the importance of a cohesive look. Malavika seamlessly blends Indian sari aesthetics with global fashion trends. Her fusion of traditional saris with contemporary accessories or international fashion elements showcases a cross-cultural fashion sensibility, bridging the gap between traditional and modern fashion expressions. She shares her fashion journey through virtual fashion diaries, offering behind-the-scenes glimpses into her sari styling process. This transparency not only engages her audience but also provides valuable insights into the meticulous details that go into curating her iconic sari looks. Malavika views the sari as a symbol of empowerment. She often shares anecdotes and stories about the significance of saris in her life, emphasizing how this traditional garment embodies strength, grace, and cultural pride, encouraging others to embrace their roots. Her sari fashion choices extend to a diverse range of occasions. Whether it's a formal event, a festive celebration, or a casual outing, she showcases the versatility of saris by selecting styles that are not only stunning but also perfectly suited to the mood and ambience of the event. The actress occasionally embraces vintage saris. Her revival of classic handloom and vintage saris adds a touch of nostalgia to her wardrobe, celebrating the timeless beauty of traditional Indian textiles and craftsmanship. She collaborates with up-and-coming designers. These collaborations bring forth fresh perspectives, innovative designs, and a fusion of contemporary aesthetics with traditional sari drapes, contributing to the evolution of Indian fashion. Malavika occasionally shares DIY sari makeover videos. From turning old saris into trendy contemporary outfits to experimenting with dyeing techniques, her DIY sessions inspire individuals to personalize and reinvent their sari collection. The actress engages her audience with sari styling challenges. These challenges encourage her followers to share their unique interpretations of sari fashion, fostering a sense of community and creativity among sari enthusiasts. Malavika Mohanam effortlessly blends traditional saris with modern silhouettes, experimenting with contemporary blouse designs, jacket pairings, and asymmetrical drapes. This fusion of classic and modern elements adds a dynamic flair to her sari looks, demonstrating her ability to push the boundaries of traditional fashion. Beyond the glamour, she actively participates in sari campaigns that advocate for social causes. Her involvement in initiatives promoting handloom weavers, sustainable practices, and women's empowerment showcases her commitment to using fashion as a platform for positive change. Her sari choices often feature exquisite artistry and embellishments. Whether it's intricate embroidery, hand-painted motifs, or delicate beadwork, her appreciation for craftsmanship elevates each sari to a work of art, making her fashion choices stand out on any occasion. The actress celebrates India's cultural diversity through her sari selections. From the vibrant colors of Rajasthan to the subtle elegance of South Indian saris, her wardrobe pays homage to the rich tapestry of Indian culture, creating a visual journey that reflects the country's unity in diversity. She shares styling tips that cater to individuals of all ages. Whether it's her mother's graceful draping or her own youthful experiments with contemporary sari styles, she encourages everyone to embrace the sari, regardless of age, as a symbol of elegance and sophistication. Malavika's sari fashion journey has witnessed a remarkable evolution over the years. From her early appearances to her recent red carpet stunners, she has navigated through diverse styles, showcasing an ever-evolving understanding of fashion trends while staying true to her personal aesthetic. Even on her travels, she brings her sari fashion to new heights. Her airport looks often feature comfortable yet stylish sari ensembles, proving that one can effortlessly blend comfort and fashion, even while on the go. These travel-inspired sari styles add a touch of wanderlust to her wardrobe. Her sari choices sometimes mirror the characters she portrays on screen. Whether it's a period drama or a contemporary film, her ability to intertwine on-screen characters with her off-screen style adds a cinematic allure to her sari collection. During festive seasons, her sari choices reflect the joyous spirit of celebrations. Vibrant colors, festive embellishments, and traditional drapes take center stage, embodying the essence of Indian festivals. Her festive sari styling becomes an inspiration for those looking to make a statement during special occasions. For Malavika Mohanam, sari fashion goes beyond mere aesthetics. It becomes a form of self-expression, allowing her to convey her personality, moods, and cultural affiliations. Each sari she wears tells a unique story, making her fashion choices a canvas for personal expression. The actress incorporates eco-friendly practices into her sari fashion. She often opts for saris crafted from sustainable fabrics, supports ethical fashion brands, and encourages her followers to make mindful choices, turning sari styling into a statement for environmental consciousness. Her sari choices extend to international platforms, showcasing the versatility of Indian ethnic wear globally. Whether attending film festivals or making appearances on international talk shows, her sari selections not only reflect her cultural pride but also contribute to the global appreciation of Indian fashion aesthetics. The actress often experiments with makeup looks that harmonize with her traditional ensembles. From bold lip colors to subtle eye makeup, her attention to detail extends beyond clothing, creating a cohesive and captivating appearance that captivates both fashion enthusiasts and beauty connoisseurs. Malavika emphasizes the empowering nature of sari fashion. In interviews and social media posts, she shares how wearing a sari boosts her confidence and instills a sense of pride. Her advocacy for using fashion as a tool for self-assurance resonates with many, encouraging individuals to embrace the transformative power of clothing. Connecting with her fan base, the actress occasionally collaborates with her followers, encouraging them to share their unique sari styling interpretations. This collaborative approach not only celebrates the diversity of personal styles but also turns her fashion journey into an inclusive community celebration. The actress seamlessly transitions her sari styles through different seasons. From light and breezy chiffons during summer to rich and textured fabrics in winter, her ability to adapt sari fashion to the changing seasons showcases not only her sartorial prowess but also practicality in fashion choices. The actress draws inspiration from various art forms and cultural elements in her sari styling. Whether it's motifs inspired by paintings or drapes reminiscent of traditional dance costumes, her sari choices often reflect a nuanced appreciation for the intersection of fashion and art. The actress occasionally hosts interactive sari styling workshops. These virtual sessions allow her followers to learn firsthand about different draping techniques, fabric pairings, and accessory choices, turning her expertise into an educational experience for sari enthusiasts. Examining her diverse filmography, one can witness her sari fashion evolution on the silver screen. Her roles often feature character-specific sari styles, providing a fascinating cinematic journey that mirrors her real-life exploration of the traditional garment. The actress gracefully incorporates sari fashion into significant life milestones. Whether attending award ceremonies, personal celebrations, or industry events, her sari selections become a visual narrative of her life journey, making each draped ensemble a cherished memory. The actress emerges as a cultural ambassador through her sari styling choices. Whether at international events or social media platforms, she introduces global audiences to the richness of Indian textiles, traditions, and the profound cultural significance embedded in the art of draping a sari. Delving into her sari styling philosophy, Malavika emphasizes the importance of individuality. She encourages her followers to embrace their unique tastes, experiment with colors, and find their own rhythm in sari styling, fostering a sense of empowerment and self-expression within the diverse world of fashion. Her black and white sari selections showcase the timeless allure of monochrome elegance. From chic black silk saris to pristine white chiffons, her choices demonstrate that simplicity can be powerful, and these classic hues can make a bold statement in any fashion landscape. The actress occasionally shares her sari styling insights on fashion podcasts. These candid discussions provide listeners with a deeper understanding of her thought process, preferences, and the stories behind her most memorable sari looks. Her influence transcends geographical boundaries as she collaborates with international designers and influencers. These cross-cultural collaborations infuse a global perspective into her sari fashion, creating a fusion of styles that resonates with a diverse and international audience. Malavika effortlessly transcends fashion eras with her sari styling. From the grace of vintage-inspired looks to the chic minimalism of modern decades, her ability to seamlessly navigate through different fashion periods showcases a timeless quality in her approach to sari fashion. Taking her passion for sari fashion beyond the realm of clothing, the actress collaborates with artists to create sari-inspired art installations. These unique exhibits blend traditional textile aesthetics with contemporary artistry, turning the sari into a living canvas that captures the essence of both worlds. In a nod to versatility, the actress incorporates sari styling even into her fitness routines. Whether it's showcasing yoga postures in a comfortable drape or sharing tips on maintaining elegance during workout sessions, she proves that saris can be part of an active and healthy lifestyle. The actress initiates sari styling challenges for her followers. These interactive sessions encourage creativity, bringing together a diverse range of interpretations and perspectives on how to style and reimagine the traditional Indian sari. Malavika Mohanan's sari styling evolution extends beyond regional boundaries, incorporating influences from various cultures. Whether it's infusing elements of Western fashion or embracing global trends, she showcases the adaptability of saris in a multicultural world, fostering a cross-cultural appreciation for this traditional garment. And there you have it, a sneak peek into Malavika Mohanan's sari fashion choices. Which style resonated with you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.